Do you know it rains molten glass sideways in a planet?
Really? But how does that happen?
Meet HD 189733b, a hot Jupiter just 64 light-years away. This cobalt blue giant orbits its star every 2.2 days, with temps between 930 to 1,220 degrees Celsius. It's a furnace in space. Amazing part? Its towering winds hit 5,400 miles per hour, whipping silicate clouds into molten glass that rains sideways. It also smells like rotten eggs, thanks to hydrogen sulfide detected by JWST. Not your vacation spot, but totally epic. Like for more cosmic wonders,